In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Applications of TinyML course at Harvard step by step so you can enroll without confusion and start learning right away. This guide is perfect if you're interested in machine learning, edge AI, or working with intelligent systems on low-power devices, and you want to learn directly from a trusted Harvard-backed platform. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software and course tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard website or directly search for Harvard online courses in your search engine. Once you're on the Harvard courses page, look for the search option where you can find specific programs. In the search bar, type Applications of TinyML and press Enter. From the search results, carefully look for the course titled Applications of TinyML and make sure it is offered through Harvard or its official learning partners, such as edX or Harvard Online. Click on the course name to open the full course details page. On this page, you'll see an overview of what the course covers, including topics like tiny machine learning, deploying models on microcontrollers, real-world use cases, and the skills you'll gain by completing the course. Take a moment to review the course description, duration, and prerequisites to make sure it matches your learning goals. When you're ready to proceed, scroll down and click on the Enroll button. At this stage, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Use your email address and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account securely. After logging in, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details, such as your name and other required information. Next, choose your enrollment option. Some Harvard courses offer both free audit options and paid certificates, so select the option that best fits your needs. If you're choosing the paid version, proceed to the payment section and enter your billing details. Double-check all the information, then complete the payment to finalize your enrollment. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message or email letting you know that you're officially enrolled in the Applications of TinyML course. Now you can access the course dashboard, where all the learning materials are available. From here, you can start the course immediately by watching the lectures, following the modules, and completing the assignments at your own pace. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Applications of TinyML course from Harvard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.